Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the outer oven door glass frame for this Frigidaire Induction range, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a putty knife, and double-sided tape. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Open the oven door, then use the flathead screwdriver to help rotate the hinge locks forward. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. Set the door handle side down on a towel or blanket. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the door handle. With the screws unthreaded, set the handle aside. Next, unthread the 4 bottom screws, securing the inner door panel assembly to the outer door panel. Separate the inner panel assembly from the outer panel. Detach the upper retaining panel from the outer panel. Use the putty knife to help separate the sides of the frame from the double-sided tape. You can now pull the glass away from the bottom of the old frame. To prepare the new outer oven door glass frame for installation, align the bumper pad on the outside of the bottom of the frame in the middle. Next, apply 2 new pieces of double-sided tape to each side of the frame, one near the top but below where the retaining panel will be, and one near the bottom along the inside edge. Now align the glass with the bottom of the frame, then push the sides of the frame against the glass to adhere the tape. Reposition the upper retaining panel. Realign the inner door assembly with the outer door panel. Rethread the 4 bottom screws. Make sure the top edge of the assembly is accessible. Then insert the door handle screws. Align the handle and thread the screws into the handle to secure. Reinstall the oven door by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the door to its fully open position. Then rotate the hinge locks back. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and the induction range should be ready for use.